Hello, my name is Divya Kushala, or simply called as Divya, and I'm a lecturer in Institut Negeri Bandung in West Java, Indonesia. I've been teaching since 2014, and my work focus on research areas, dwelling pattern in urban settlement within the Housing Research Group, and minor in housing system within the Building Technology Lab. It is a great honor for me to introduce myself and to share my research journey, my study plan, and my goals after graduation. If I were to describe the heart of my journey in one idea, I would say this. I believe that housing is not only about buildings, it is about dignity, opportunity, and the future of urban communities. This belief has guided me throughout my academic and professional path. My research has consistently focused on housing and urban settlement issues in Indonesia, especially for lower and middle income communities. I become deeply interested in this field because in many urban contexts, housing is never just a place to stay. It is also where people work, raise families, build relationships, and imagine a better life. My master research conducted in 2008. I examined resident behavior in apartment housing in Jakarta. At that time, vertical living was still unfamiliar to many residents who were more accustomed to the social and spatial life in kampung communities. Through that research, I learned an important lesson. Housing cannot be understood only through physical design. It must also respond to how people actually live, how they interact, and how they create a sense of belonging. Later, I expanded this interest through research in several inner city kampung areas in Bandung, West Java, where local communities are closely connected to the fashion industries. The neighborhood were shaped by activities such as knitting, garment production, and textile recycling. What moved me the most was the resilience of these communities. Their homes were not only domestic spaces, but also places for production, adaptation, and survival. Yet, despite the economic contribution, many still had limited access to better housing conditions. That experience strengthened my conviction that housing should not be seen only as a shelter, but also as an issue, livelihood, justice, and social mobility. In 2023, I also began research in environmentally responsive timber housing. This comes from my concern that many Indonesian cities are increasingly dominated by brick, concrete, and metal, while wood, a material deeply connected to our cultural and environmental context, is gradually being left behind. Through this research, I was accepted as a research student in the Young Scientist Exchange Program or YSEP in Tokyo Tech, where I spent 8 months at the Tokyo Institute of Technology under the supervision of Professor Satoshi Nasu. There, I studied housing provision system using show mill factory and emerging standard for engineered wood construction. Through this work, I become even more interested in how housing can reflect sustainability, cultural continuity, and innovation at the same time. Alongside research, I've continued to grow as both an educator and practitioner. As a lecturer in Institut Bandung, I believe that teaching and research should always grow together. Teaching gives me the responsibility to shape future designers and thinkers, while research keeps me grounded to the real needs of society. I teach a final year bachelor design studio focused on mixed use development, especially the integration of housing with public and commercial function. I also teach housing building system with attention to materiality, form, and socioeconomic condition of residents. For me, real world and projects are the most honest classroom. It teaches humility, complexity, and the importance of listening. My professional experience have strengthened my perspective. I've been involved in the planning and design of flat housing project in Bandung and Jakarta for total 265 households, where collaboration with communities, institutions, and multiple stakeholders was essential. Those experiences taught me that meaningful urban solutions require more than technical knowledge. They also require passion, empathy, and the ability to connect with people, ideas, and shared goals. This is why pursuing a PhD at Seoul National University is very meaningful to me. I'm motivated by desire to gain knowledge that creates real impact. Seoul inspired me as a city that has undergone dynamic urban transformation and has responded creatively to complex urban challenges. I believe that studying in such environment and within the rigorous academic culture of SNU will help me deepen my research capacity and develop stronger, more implementable approaches to inclusive urban housing. At SNU, I hope to advance my research on housing that is more responsive to the realities of urban communities, especially housing that is better connected to livelihood, local economy, and long-term well-being. I want to learn not only from academic theory, but also from models, strategies, and critical discussion that can help me contribute more meaningfully to Indonesian cities later. After graduation, I plan to return to Institut Teknologi Bandung and contribute more actively to research and teaching in housing and settlement studies. I hope to strengthen my research group, mentor students who are interested in urban housing issues, and continue building collaboration with government and professional partners. I am also part of the core organizing team of an international conference on habitat and its technologies entitled Habitechno. This experience has become an important foundation for me to engage more seriously with urban housing issues, especially in housing provision, management, and system improvement. I believe this is a key sector that will increasingly involve many stakeholders in Indonesia in the years ahead. In the long term, I aspire to become a scholars and practitioners who can help bridge research, education, and practice to support more inclusive, sustainable, and human housing solution in Indonesia. For me, the opportunity is not only about academic advancement, it is also about preparing myself to contribute more responsibly and more meaningfully to the society. Thank you very much for your consideration.